Hey everybody, it's Dr. Blake, the Cooking Doc. This week we've got a special treat. We've got a Southwest quinoa dish with a cumin lime vinaigrette that will have even the biggest quinoa haters asking for more. Before we get to this great dish today, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Never miss a new recipe. Just one little click and hit the bell. That way you know every time I release a new video. This salad is a great chance for you and your family to change your buds and reap the benefit of quinoa's plant-based proteins and high fiber. Here are 3 quick facts about quinoa. Quinoa is actually a seed, but it often gets lumped together with other grains because of the way it's cooked, boiled, and the way it's eaten. 1 cup of cooked quinoa has 8 grams of plant protein. That's more protein than 1 egg, and it's the same amount of protein as in an ounce of chicken breast or 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Quinoa is a fiber-full food. That's a mouthful. 1 cup of cooked quinoa has 5 grams of fiber in it. That's more than a cup of brown rice. Quinoa is the perfect base for this Tex-Mex inspired salad. It's colorful, it's crunchy, it's a little salty. You will absolutely love this salad. If you have chronic kidney disease along the way, I'll give you some tips of how to turn this recipe to a delicious lower potassium dish. Before we get started, this is what you'll need. 1 cup of quinoa, rinsed. That gets rid of the extra shell and makes it much easier to digest. Also gets rid of a little bit of the bitter flavor. 2 cups low sodium vegetable stock. 1 15-ounce can of low sodium black beans, drained and rinsed. 1 jalapeno. 1 green, red, or yellow bell pepper. And this is my favorite way to cut a yellow pepper. You just slice the top off, kind of take a knife and you scoop around the outside to get rid of the middle where the seeds are. Then you cut it into strips, turn it to the side, and chop them into little pieces. 1 cup of thinly sliced onion, 1 pint of grape tomatoes, 2 teaspoons of chopped cilantro, 1 avocado cut into cubes, a 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice, a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 1 garlic clove, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of cumin, a 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Now you're going to love this part. The dressing is fabulous. So we've got a 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice, a 1/4 cup red wine vinegar, 1 garlic clove pressed, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of cumin. Oh my God, it smells so good! Okay, now let's put this all together. First we've got our quinoa, then we add our fixins, our can of beans, our pepper, our jalapeno pepper, as spicy as you want it, our onion, our tomatoes, cilantro, how beautiful is this? All right. Now we're going to mix that all together with some of our dressing. Now to serve this dish, we're going to take a spoonful, about a cup serving size, put it in a little bowl. Make sure you get all the fixings in each bowl and top it with a few pieces of avocado. And a few sprigs of fresh cilantro for garnish. If you're looking for a low potassium version of this dish, substitute roasted red pepper for these tomatoes, only use half of the black beans, and then also leave off the avocado on top. The finished product will still be amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Check out my website, thecookingdoc.co. Work on changing your buds. Become a healthier you. What are you going to cook this week? We'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.